Welcome everyone to today's webinar on enhancing contract lifecycle management with artificial intelligence. Thank you for joining us today for this session. I am Karina and joining me are Sanjeev and Samruddha. Together we represent the team at Beveron Technologies. We are excited to explore how AI-driven contract management solutions are transforming the way corporate legal teams and in-house counsel draft, review, and manage contracts with greater accuracy, and compliance. We are also honored to have our CEO, Brijesh Shadan, with us today. Mr. Brijesh is a legal tech entrepreneur based in Dubai with over 25 years of expertise in emerging technologies. He is an authority in legal technology consulting with extensive knowledge of technology trends and their practical application in the legal domain. We have planned this session to last approximately 20 to 25 minutes. We appreciate your support and cooperation during this time. Please kindly remain muted throughout the session to ensure a smooth experience for everyone. All right, before we dive in, let's take a quick look at today's agenda. We'll start with an introduction to enhancing contract lifecycle management with AI, setting the stage for how AI is reshaping the way organizations handle contracts. Next, we'll look at the key challenges in the traditional contract lifecycle and why so many legal teams struggle with inefficiencies and risk. Then we'll move into AI's breakthroughs in contract management, exploring how tools like intelligent data extraction, predictive analytics, and generative AI drafting are changing the game. We'll also highlight some cutting edge AI technologies driving this transformation, followed by real world examples showing the impact of AI on efficiency and risk reduction. After that, we'll address a common concern overcoming adoption barriers. We'll share practical steps organizations can take to confidently start their AI journey. Then we'll look at the future of AI in contract lifecycle management and how it's transforming legal professionals into strategic business enablers. Towards the end, we'll introduce Bureau Smart Legal Contract Software, walk you through its key features, benefits, and how it stands out as a trusted AI powered CLM solution. And finally, we'll wrap up with a brief conclusion on how embracing AI today can truly transform the way your organization manages contracts. Now, we all know how critical contracts are. They are at the heart of every business relationship, but managing them efficiently, especially at scale, can be challenging. That's where AI is making a real difference. In today's session, we'll explore how AI is revolutionizing the way organizations handle contracts, from drafting and reviewing to monitoring and compliance. We'll look at how automation and intelligent analytics are helping legal teams work faster, reduce risk, and unlock a more strategic value from their contracts. By the end of this session, you will have a clear understanding of how AI can simplify complex processes, improve accuracy, and ultimately transform contract management into a strategic advantage for your organization. Now, when we think about contract management, the first challenge that usually comes to mind is how manual the process still is in many organizations. From drafting to approvals to tracking renewals, a lot of this is done through emails, spreadsheets, or paper based methods. This manual processes often slow things down and make room for human error. As the number and complexity of contracts grow, it becomes harder for teams to stay on top of every detail. Like deadlines get missed, obligations are overlooked, and opportunities for better terms are lost. According to recent research from World CC, organizations are organizations lose nearly 8.6% of their contract value due to inefficiencies like this. That's a huge amount of unrealized value. So clearly, there is a strong need for a smarter, more streamlined way to manage the entire contract lifecycle. And that's where AI can make a real difference. Now that we have looked at the challenges, let's talk about how AI is helping overcome them. One of the biggest breakthroughs is in data extraction. Earlier, reviewing contracts and pulling out key terms or clauses could take hours. But with AI, this can be done in just a few minutes. It only it not only saves time but also improves accuracy since the system can quickly identify important details without missing anything. Next, we have advanced classification. Imagine having hundreds or even thousands of contracts. AI can automatically categorize them, making it easy to find exactly what you are looking for, whether it's a vendor agreement, an NDA, or a renewal clause. And finally, generative AI drafting is changing the way contracts are created. Instead of starting from scratch, AI can generate well structured drafts using pre approved templates and legal language. And this not only speeds up the process but also ensures consistency across all agreements. So, together, these capabilities are transforming how legal teams work, moving from repetitive manual tasks to more strategic and value driven roles. Now that we have explored how AI is creating breakthroughs in contract management, let's take a deeper look at the specific technologies driving this change. To walk us through the next section, I would like to hand it over to Samruddha, who will share more insights on how these advanced tools are shaping the future of contract lifecycle management. Thank you. Over to you, Samruddha.
Thank you, Karina. Hello, everyone. I'm Samruddha, and I'll be taking you through the next part of our session. Cutting edge AI technologies transforming contract lifecycle management. Let's take a closer look at some of the advanced AI technologies that are truly reshaping contract lifecycle management. The first one is retrieval augmented generation, or RAG. This technology ensures that AI gives accurate and trustworthy responses by pulling information from verified contract documents and data sources. It's designed to prevent what we call AI hallucinations, where the system might generate incorrect or made up information, which is especially important in legal work. Next, we have predictive analytics. This allows legal team to identify risks or compliance issues before they turn into real problems. Instead of reacting after something goes wrong, AI helps you take proactive steps, improving both efficiency and decision making. And finally, natural language processing, or NLP. This technology helps AI actually understand legal language, not just read it. It can compare clauses, highlight inconsistencies, and even support negotiations by identifying what's missing or what could be improved in a contract. Together, these technologies make CLM smarter, faster, and far more reliable, turning contract management from an administrative task into a powerful strategic function. Now let's look at the real world results organizations are seeing after adopting AI in contract management. One of the most impressive outcomes is the reduction in review time. Legal teams have reported completing contract reviews up to 70% faster thanks to AI. What used to take days can now be done in just a few hours, freeing up valuable time for more strategic tasks. Another major benefit is missed deadlines. With automated alerts and reminders, key dates like renewals or compliance obligations are never overlooked. This helps protect organizations from potential penalties or lost opportunities. And finally, value recovery. According to research, companies using AI driven insights are able to recover up to 8.6% of lost contract value simply by identifying hidden risks and improving their decision making process. So, in short, AI isn't making the contract process faster, it's making it smarter, more reliable, and far more valuable to the business. While AI offers incredible potentials, many organizations still face hesitation when it comes to adopting it, and that's completely understandable. Let's talk about some of the common barriers and how to overcome them. The first concern is usually around compliance and trust. Legal teams worry whether AI can align with strict regulatory requirements. The good news is today's AI powered CLM tools have built in compliance checks that ensures every stage of the contract process adheres to the necessary standards. This helps build confidence among stakeholders. Next, instead of jumping into large scale implementation right away, it's best to start with pilot projects. Begin small, maybe with a specific type of contract or department. Once teams see the result, it will be much easier to expand AI adoption across the organization. And finally, it's important to partner with experts who understand both the technology and the legal landscape. Having the right implementation partner ensures smooth integration, minimal disruption, and faster return on investment. In short, with the right approach, AI adoption doesn't have to feel risky. It can be structured, confident step towards a smarter, more efficient contract management process. Now that we discussed how organizations can overcome adoption challenge, it's time to look ahead at what lies beyond, how AI will continue to evolve and shape the way we manage contracts in the future. To take us through the next topic, the future of AI in contract lifecycle management, I'd like to hand it over to Sanjeev, who will share his insights on how AI is set to redefine contract management in the years to come. Thank you. Over to you, Sanjeev.
Thank you, Samruddha. Hello, everyone. I'm Sanjeev, and I'll be taking you through the next topic, the future of AI in contract lifecycle management. As we look ahead, it's clear that AI is just not improving the contract management, it is completely transforming it. In the near future, we'll be seeing contract managers taking on a far more strategic role instead of spending most of the time on the administrative work. They'll be become key business partners, helping their organization making data-driven decisions, manage risk proactively, and create more value from every agreement. AI will continue to drive this transformation by offering deeper insights, smarter automation, and predictive capabilities that helps teams act before issues arise. Organizations that embrace AI early are already seeing the benefits: faster processes, reduced cost, and stronger compliance. And this is just the beginning. As AI technology evolves, contract management will become more intelligent, connected, and agile, turning what was once a routine back office task into a true source of competitive advantage. Now, we have seen how AI is shaping the future of contract management. Let's look at the real solution that brings all of this innovation together: Beveron Smart Legal Contract Software. This platform is designed to help legal and business teams to manage entire contract lifecycle efficiently. from drafting and negotiation to compliance and renewal, all within one intelligent system. It uses AI-powered intelligence to extract and classify key contract data, turning what used to be time-consuming manual work into quick, accurate insights. The generative AI drafting feature speeds up the contract creation using customizable templates, ensuring consistency and reducing human error. It also integrated compliance tools that send real-time alerts so team never miss a critical obligation or deadline. And with the seamless integration into existing systems, it is user-friendly and easy to adopt, whether you're a small legal department or a large enterprise. In short, Beveron Smart Legal Contract is built to make contract management not just simpler but smarter, empowering teams to focus on strategy instead of paperwork. So, why choose Beveron Smart Legal Contract? What really sets it apart? First, it delivers measurable results. Organizations using Beveron's platform have seen up a 60% faster contract life cycle, which means the process move quicker and deals close sooner. At the same time, automation and AI-driven checks bring near 100% accuracy, drastically reducing human errors. Second, it's truly enterprise-ready platform. You get enhanced visibility through powerful dashboard analytics and KPI tracking, giving you real-time insights into how your contracts are performing. This kind of visibility helps the leadership make better and faster business decisions. Another important strength is a secure collaboration. With the role-based access controls, every user has right to level of access, ensuring sensitive data remains protected while still enabling teams to work efficiently. And finally, the system is highly scalable. It grows within your organization. Whether you are managing a few dozens of contracts or thousands across multiple regions, the platform adapts easily to your needs. In essence, Beveron Smart Legal Contract isn't just a software, it is complete digital transformation tools that makes contract management faster, safer, and more intelligent. As we wrap up today's session, the key message is clear. AI is no longer optional when it comes to modern contract management. It has become an essential part of how organizations stay efficient, compliant, and competitive. By leveraging AI, companies can unlock tremendous value, reducing review times, minimizing risk, and gaining insights that help drive smarter business decisions. What used to be a time consuming process is now becoming a strategic advantage. And this is exactly where Beveron Smart Legal Contract empowers organizations, combining advanced AI capabilities with easy to use platform that ensures accuracy, transparency, and control throughout the entire contract lifecycle. So, if your organization is looking to future-proof its legal operations and move forward or towards the intelligent automated contract management, now this is the perfect time to start that journey. Thank you all for your attention, and I hope this session has given you a clear picture of how AI can truly transform the contract lifecycle management. We appreciate your participation today. Now it's time for your feedback. You may kindly fill the feedback form sent you in the comment box. Please feel free to visit our website for more details and resources on smart legal contract software.
Thank you for joining us today for our webinar on enhancing contract lifecycle management with artificial intelligence. We hope you found the insights valuable and inspiring. We appreciate your time and participation. We look forward to your participation in our future webinars. Please remember to fill out the feedback form as it will help us to provide more informative topics in the future. Thank you all once again.